In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a Maven project in Eclipse. Before we create a project, we should check certain things. First thing, we need to check the Eclipse version that we are using. If I go to About Eclipse IDE, you can see this is the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. So in case you are using similar kind of Eclipse IDE, the steps that I am following here would match. Otherwise, there could be differences. The first thing we should check the install JRE. So for that, I need to go to Window, then Preference. You can select Java. Expand this, you can click install JRE. If you see over here, it's showing me a custom Java installation within Eclipse. It's a bundled JDK, but I don't want to use that because if I use Maven and Maven in turn tries to use JDK, there could be issues. So what I'm going to do, I already have a local Java installation and I'm going to add that JRE over here and I would use it. So let me click on add. Keep the standard VM selected, click on next. Here I will point to my JDK location. So let me navigate to that. So here this JDK is my Java installation directory. I'm going to select this folder. My JRE name will come as this. I'm keeping everything default for now. Click on finish. I will uncheck this and I will select this. So from now on, I'm going to use this JDK 8. Click on apply. Apply and close. Again, another thing I need to check, go to Window, Preferences, the compiler. Under Java, if you check over here, if you see here, the compiler used is 17 only. You can change it to 1.8 or 1.7, whatever suits you. But in my case, as I am using JDK 8, I'll keep it 1.8 only. Click on apply and close. The third thing that we need to check over here is the Maven. Again, go to preferences. Here you can see Maven, or if you type Maven over here, it would appear. I can go to installation. Here what we can see, we have embedded version of Maven, which is version 3.8.4. You can use it. You can use your own Maven setup, which is present in your system. In my case, I have my local Maven setup, so I'm going to point to that. Click on add and point to the Maven installation directory. This is my Maven installation. I'm selecting the folder, installation home, installation name, click finish. And instead of embedded, I'm going to use my local setup. Click apply and close. Now my system is ready. Now I'm going to create a Maven project. From this ID, click on file, new. You can directly select Maven project if it appears. Otherwise, you can click on other, type Maven. Select Maven project from here, click on next. By default, this checkbox would be blank, meaning if I check this, archetype selection would be skipped, but I am going to show you how to select an archetype. Click on next. By default, it would be all catalog. If it is blank, you can just change it to Maven Central and wait for a while. It would be populated. So by default, it should be populated, but I think Eclipse has some bug. Anyways, let me look for a particular archetype named Maven archetype sample. I was wrong. The archetype was Maven archetype simple. This is from org.apache.maven.archetypes. Click on next. It's asking for group ID and artifact ID. Let me provide a package name org.sample and an artifact ID, which is kind of the project name, maybe Maven sample. Click on finish. So now it is retrieving the archetype which we mentioned and creating the project. In the meantime, let me expand the directory structure. If I expand this project structure, I have source directory under which I have my source code, which is app.java, and under source test folder, I have this app.test.java. I have this app.test.java. We have to wait for a while unless this archetype retrieval is completed. Let me open the POM.xml. So here you can see the group ID, artifact ID, version is created, the name, description, URL is also provided, and some Maven properties are entered. I'm going to use 1.8 over here, so let me change this. So if I scroll down, I have dependencies, a JUnit dependency, and rest are all standard stuff. So let me try to run this particular application from here. Right click, run as Java application. So now the program has run successfully. So we have created a project using archetype. Similar way, I want to create another project without using archetype. Let me go to file, new. I'm selecting Maven project. Check this. I want to skip archetype selection. Let me provide group ID and artifact ID. So I have just named it as Maven sample without archetype. Let me minimize this project, close all this, and expand this one. Similar structure, but it has resources directory over here, test directory over here, but no code. And let me open the POM.xml. POM.xml does not have any dependencies. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this code samples over here. Just copy, paste over here. Let me provide a proper package. So here I have not created any package yet. I'm just pasting this package name and I'm going to create from here. So now this package is created. So this is my class over here, and let me run this project. Right click, run as Java application. So this is also successfully run. So what we have seen so far, two ways we have created Maven project, one using Maven archetype and another without using archetype. And before creating any Maven projects in Eclipse, two important things I have showed to you. First of all, you check your JDK and JRE if the versions are not correct and they are not matching properly with whatever you have in POM. You can have abnormal issues, so better to be safe on that. And also you check the Maven installation. If you are trying to use a custom Maven which is there in your system, you should point to that instead of using the embedded one. You can very well use the embedded one, no problem in that, but you should be aware which Maven you are using so that the behavior is not unexpected. That is all for now. Thank you.